Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Today we'll be looking at a classic Christmas carol, All Through the Night, on a tremolo harmonica. Here is a tremolo harmonica with 24 holes. This tremolo is in the key of C, but don't worry if your tremolo is not in the key of C, it's the whole numbers that are important. If your tremolo is not numbered, then the first hole that produces the lowest note is hole number 1. The second hole is hole number 2, and so on, right up to the last hole, which is hole number 24. You will also notice that each number actually has 2 corresponding holes, but for this lesson, just pretend that there is only one hole and treat them as such. For this lesson, when you see this red arrow, it means blow into your tremolo harmonica. And when you see this blue arrow, it means breathe in through your tremolo harmonica. Got it? Good. Here's what All Through the Night looks like when it's written down in the key of C. And this is how it sounds. C, B, A, C, D, C, B, G, A, B, B, C. C, B, A, C, D, C, B, G, A, B, B, C. F, E, F, G, A, G, F, E, F, E, D, C, E, D, C, B. C, B, A, C, D, C, B, G, A, B, B, C. Let's take a closer look at phrase 1. Blow into 9. Breathe in through 8. Breathe in through 6. Blow into 9. Breathe in through 10. Blow into 9. Breathe in through 8. Blow into 7. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 2, breathe in through 6. Breathe in through 8 twice. And blow into 9. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now phrase 3 is exactly the same as phrase 1. And phrase 4 is exactly the same as phrase 2. So let's move on to phrase 5. Breathe in through 12. Blow into 11. Breathe in through 12 again. Blow into 13. Breathe in through 14. Blow into 13. Breathe in through 12. And blow into 11. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 6, breathe in through 12. Blow into 11. Breathe in through 10. Blow into 9. Blow into 11. Breathe in through 10. Blow into 9. And breathe in through 8. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now phrase 7 is exactly the same as phrase 1, and phrase 8 is exactly the same as phrase 2. So let's try putting all the phrases together. And there you have it. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, if you'd like to show more support, then please visit our Patreon page. There's a link in the description below. And finally, don't forget to check out some of my other lessons. And until next time, stay tuned.